GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GM OE. Vehicle type: car, truck. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form and function. Country of origin: United States. ACDelco GM original equipment multi-purpose sensor is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: HVAC. This original equipment sensor will provide the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. This sensor fixed a $900 problem that the shop garage told me I had a bad air compressor. I did it myself in less than 10 minutes. I highly recommend this part. Very easy to install and in most cases don't need to empty the Freon out the AC compressor.